There he is. That's King Jayavarman VII, and we're just outside of Sisophon, Cambodia. We're looking up in the sky to see if God is watching us or maybe a security camera, whatever. Now, they're rebuilding an ancient temple from about 900 years ago. They won't let me down this dirt road with my camera, but there's some interesting things. If you could look at those blocks, I don't know, those blocks just don't look like they're 900 years old. I don't know. Now, we're going to try to zoom in a little bit. Maybe we could get a better view of what's actually going on down there. Yeah, there's a ton of bricks laying on top of each other. 3 or 4 workmen. And there's some United Nations blue. That's the color of that machinery. And it says Sophie Mission. That's an Italian group that does archaeological work.